delicious treasure that combines the rich taste of 3 types of meats. Without further ado, here's our Madalicious recipe of the day. 3 meat treasures and bacon kimchi rice with Yangnom sauce. Brought to you by San Miguel Foods, Home Foodie. I'm JC Caparas and I'll be your guide as we uncover the hidden treasure of this dish together. Here are the stars of the show. Pure Foods Tender Juicy Chicken and Cheese Hot Dog. Pure Foods Crispy Chicken Karage. Pure Foods Pork Tocino. Pure Foods Classic Honey Cured Bacon. Next, get ready to take a screenshot of our complete list of ingredients so we can start cooking. Our first step, prepare the hot dogs and Pure Foods Karage according to package directions. Slice the hot dogs diagonally into 1-inch slices and set both aside. Next, let's prepare our breaded crispy tocino. Dip these bite-sized tocino slices into beaten eggs. A very important tip, make sure your tocino is moist before breading to ensure the coating sticks well. For even better adhesion, dip the meat into a cornstarch batter before coating with breadcrumbs. Fry for a crispy finish. Set aside. Next, make the Yangnom sauce by combining all the ingredients. Tomato ketchup, gochujang sauce, vinegar, pancake or maple syrup, strawberry jam or jelly, soy sauce, and pepper. Keep in the chiller until you're ready to use. Next, make bacon kimchi rice in a wok or large pan. Fry the bacon in its own oil. Create a well in the center of the pan and crack the eggs into it. Allow the eggs to cook until they are nearly set, then gently scramble them. Stir in the bacon, followed by the kimchi, mushrooms, and green onions. Combine everything thoroughly and cook for additional 30 seconds. Add the rice and mix well. Cook until everything is heated through. Let's arrange this bacon kimchi rice into serving bowls. Top with the hot dog slices, karage pieces, and tocino. Kaya siya 3-meat treasure. Ang ganda, di ba? For the finishing touch, drizzle with Yangnom sauce or you can serve the sauce on the side as well. Garnish with seasoned nori for added flavors and texture. A hearty filling meal that you can make for lunch or dinner or even prepare ahead for baon, for the week, or a potluck party. Kitang-kita nyo naman kung gaano kadali gawin ang Madalicious dish natin with the ingredients you can get from San Miguel Foods. Ano pang hinihintay? Tikiman na! Madali na plus delicious. Until the next Madalicious recipe.